Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to talk about how can you change date in Iqoo phone, guys. You want to change your date, phone date, guys, so you can change your phone date in Iqoo phone. And guys, today I will tell you how to change date, and guys, how can you change date. So now let's start video, friends. First of all, what will you have to do? And one more thing, guys. If you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and then like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, open your phone setting to change your date, and guys, come on system, and guys, click on date. Again click on date, and guys, you want to change your date, guys. Today is May, April, May. So guys, you can see today is 1 May, Sunday, and guys, you can, after guys, you click on OK option. So guys, now you can see, my date has changed 1 May, then OK. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you know, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.